everyone, welcome to the world according to Jason. Today I am joined by baby girl Shawn and his lovely wife Jen, who's grabbing a drink real quick. But we have a smorgasbord of food at Jollibee, and Shawn or his wife, none of them have had Filipino food or Jollibee, so this is a first for them.
Looking forward to it. I'm super excited about it.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get some glory shots of all the food, and then we'll be right back to try some. Okay, so just now, Shawn was shedding tears of joy for this like massive feast we have in front of us. So we're gonna just kind of work our way from left to right, and we'll just try them as they go. So we got their regular chicken tenders, and it was a pineapple barbecue sauce, right?
Yep.
So pineapple barbecue sauce. So let's go ahead and try that first. So Shawn and Jen, since this is your first Jollibee experience, I'll let both of you guys go first. No, we can choose. Yeah.
Okay.
That's good barbecue sauce.
I don't know if it's because I'm starving or if it's just that good.
Well, the chicken, look how moist the chicken is. It's super moist. And that's the thing with chicken tenders, like a lot of times we get them at places, they're dry. But this chicken's not dry. And it's delicious.
I'm gonna try it in this gravy. So when we walked in, I got a little bit of remnants of KFC.
Well, I think it's
Just
all
the
the
smell,
the chicken,
and
fried
everything.
chicken.
But this definitely doesn't taste anything like KFC.
No, it's so much better. How's that gravy? Isn't that good gravy? Really good gravy. And you're supposed to actually pour it on the as you're eating the regular the chicken as well.
This is my own bowl of gravy, right?
Yeah, there's that one there. You
don't get gravy.
No. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Jen's kind. And then you should try their pineapple drink.
Oh god, yeah.
That is so good. Yeah, Jen couldn't help herself. She went straight in, and it's so good. Isn't that awesome?
Wow. I was expecting like an artificially flavored pineapple drink, but that's like
so good.
It is like real pineapple juice. Yeah, that's really good.
So now let's move on to the chicken.
All right.
So I'll let you guys pick your poison.
I'm a drum person. Oh, it's falling apart.
All right. So try the chicken just by itself before you do the gravy.
Okay.
That skin is so amazing.
That is so good. Crispy, like super crispy, but like not too heavily breaded. You know, you can get some chicken that's just like over breaded and it's really crispy, but then you get to the chicken and it's like dead inside.
Yeah, and this chicken is, again, it's like
super moist.
Super moist. It's not dry at all.
Not
and I know
at
some
all.
people get triggered by that word moist. Moist.
Oh, it's so moist that the skin
Look
just
at that.
slid off.
Yeah,
it.
such good quality chicken.
That is really
And
good.
it's perfectly cooked.
And the chicken's tender too. It's not like stringy or like rubbery.
Yeah, it tastes like chicken.
Yeah.
It's got the texture of chicken.
Yeah, because there's places you can go and their chicken's just like rubber on the inside.
So first impression of the chicken, better than KFC?
Definitely
Better
better
than
than
Popeyes
KFC.
too.
Yeah, I like this better than Popeyes. Now I will say, I like the spice Popeye uses. Popeye uses.
Wait till we get to the spicy.
Okay.
It's really good. I wanted you to try the
normal
regular
stuff
first. All right, next up we have the mashed taters and gravy.
They look like real potatoes, and it's got like potato skins in it too.
Yeah,
the
it's
skin
not
of
like
the
some
potato. Mashed up
powder that they
out of
rehydrate.
Yeah. It's like Thanksgiving style potato right
So
there.
good, right?
That is really good. Is this mine?
Well, you and Jen can share. I've had it before.
Here,
I love it.
try this. It's definitely like if I had one of these around my house, I would go and buy those for Thanksgiving. And just
Yeah,
take
it's
those
like
to
a total
Thanksgiving.
cheat. Yeah, it's so good. They're super fluffy. They taste like mashed potatoes, and then that gravy. I love that gravy.
Yeah, it's like a stuffing gravy. Yeah, it's like
So
it's
good.
sweet and salty. It's not like a salty gravy that would just like tastes like you poured salt in it. It's got a sweet flavor to it too.
All right.
So we're
Next
gonna
up,
try
this
this.
is the Palobok. Yep. So it's This is ground pork.
You can have those. I know you want those.
And you have the rice noodles. This has hard-boiled egg.
Crying again.
I know, it's such a beautiful experience.
This one's a little scary.
And it actually is really tasty.
It's new, it's different, and again, it's one of those I'm trying something new things. I'm not a big seafood fan, and it's got shrimp on it.
Yeah, it has a little bit of a shrimpy taste.
Yeah, but it's not bad.
Used to.
I mean, I probably wouldn't order that for a meal for myself just because I don't like seafood. But it's not bad though.
Fair enough, fair enough. So now we have their adobo rice, which is delish.
Okay, yeah, I see the bits of pork in it.
Isn't that good?
That is really good. That is really good. Reminds me of something I can't really. I'm gonna have another bite.
All right, pretty good, huh?
Very good. Very good.
And then we got on top of that we got the Hamburg steak, a two-piece. So it's got 2 hamburger steaks, mushroom gravy, mushrooms, and then white rice.
Okay.
Apparently, I've been chastised on my Filipino food videos for not eating it correctly. So I guess I use the spoon to eat the rice and everything, and they kind of use the flat edge of the spoon as a knife.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I apologize.
So yeah, this is your first experience. I'm still learning. I'm probably gonna get stuff wrong.
All right. Rice, meat, gravy, mushroom. It's got like a sweet Salisbury steak type flavor to it almost. Probably comes with the gravy's probably sweet.
Yeah, that gravy.
Yep.
Yeah, mushroom gravy.
Yep.
That is really good. Now let's give the spicy chicken a shot. This is like the star of the show. I love this.
Star of the show.
Yeah,
It's got little flags in it, so you don't get confused.
You don't get confused. Well, it's also a redder hue, but I do like those little flags.
It's like warning.
Go ahead, Jen. Grab your.
My eyes have been watering, so I better not touch my eyes after grabbing this chicken.
You'll be fine. You'll be fine. All right, you ready?
All right. Oh, wow. Wow. Wow, right into it. That spice just hits you as soon as you bite into it.
So good.
That is really
Try
good.
dumping some gravy on it. You can hit me up with some graves.
It's my gravy. My gravy.
Thank you.
What is it that they use for the spiciness?
I don't know, maybe cayenne or something? I have no idea.
It's
love
not
the
too
flavor.
spicy. It's got a little heat to it, but it's not like too spicy to where you can't like eat it. So when did they open these up in the U.S.?
You know, that's a good question. I'm not sure when the first one opened. This particular location has only been open, I think, since July. And there was another location just down the road that was a little bit smaller. They didn't have as big of a dining room. And so they actually closed that one when they opened this one.
Oh, really? Like
Yeah, I think if I was KFC or Popeyes,
I'd be scared.
I would be really scared right now because Jollibee is so
It
good.
is really good.
Yeah, and the prices aren't that bad. I mean, all of the food we got was what, $60?
$60, yeah, a little over
which
60.
is an insane amount of food. Yeah. So it's really, really fairly priced, and it's fresh tasting. It's cooked to perfection. It's so good.
It's definitely fresh.
Yeah,
Yeah,
very fresh.
it's very fresh.
So we have a couple more items to try. We're going to save the peach mango pie for last. But here's their French fries.
Okay.
If you want to taste their French fries.
I think we let them sit a little bit too
Yeah,
long.
they've been sitting, so they may not be.
Well, don't get in my gravy. It's a French fry.
Yeah, they've been sitting. But.
I mean, they're not bad, but it's a French fry.
All right, so we got the chicken sandwich. So you want to just take a bite of one side and I'll take a bite. Or did you want to try it too?
Oh my gosh, there's jalapenos on it too.
Yeah, there's jalapenos.
Okay, let me prepare for this.
It's not hot. We should. You want a lady in the trampet?
I don't know how I feel about this.
Let's lady in the trampet. You ready?
Okay.
Oh God. You ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. Now it's for you guys.
I feel so weird right now. I'm trying to enjoy this sandwich. All I can see is Jason's big face right now.
Staring right into his eyes, staring into his soul.
We're sorry if that was
We've
awkward.
already created the best memory of the trip. Let's just start it.
That's good though.
Yourself. Yeah,
That's really
you
good.
gotta get this sauce. Yeah, we got more. Look at that sauce. You gotta try that sauce. It is so good.
Which side did you bite from?
This side. So the other side.
This is my side? Oh, okay.
Side.
Hold on, I'm gonna hold off on that one.
Yeah, it's got like sliced jalapenos on it. So if you if jalapenos are too hot for you, this sandwich is gonna light some fires.
That is good.
Really good chicken sandwich.
I made a mess.
So, and they have a regular version as well, which I'm not as big of a fan of. Like the spicy one is where it's at for me. I like spice.
I like the spicy chicken sandwiches. Compared to other spicy chicken sandwiches, it's different. It's definitely better than Wendy's, in my opinion, by far.
Yeah, Wendy's is really slipping.
It's close. It's close to Popeyes.
I think I like this better than Popeyes.
Do you?
Yeah,
I mean, I like it
the
better
sauce.
than Popeyes.
Yeah.
But I'm saying, like, Popeyes is close to this, I should say.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, I like this better than Popeyes. I like the jalapenos they put on it. It adds a little extra kick to it.
Oh, but I think the worst of the spicy chicken sandwiches, it's probably a tie between Wendy's and, well, no, I would say it's a three-way tie between Wendy's, Burger King, and McDonald's. Like,
I haven't
think
even
they're
tried
terrible
Burger
sandwiches.
King.
No,
So
they're
why would I
awful.
try a chicken sandwich at Burger King?
Yeah, I know, they're awful. But this is the clear winner for me. So
That's good.
like before we try the peach mango pies, out of all of the savory dishes that we've tried, which one is your favorite? Mashed
The
potatoes,
mashed potatoes as a side. That's your favorite side.
so Hamburg steak. So Jen's voting for the mashed potatoes and the Hamburg steak as her favorite.
Out of the sides, the mashed potatoes, I think were the best. The
More than the
rice,
adobo rice?
the rice is a really close second, though. I mean, those are both really solid. As far as entrees go, I'm probably gonna have to say the spicy chicken is probably my favorite, followed by the sandwich and then the hamburger.
I think that's a perfect order. I mean, I'll go in the same thing. Like the spicy chicken has always been my favorite. Then a close second, the sandwich, and then the Hamburg steak.
Yeah.
I mean, they're all
Good. It was
super
really good.
delicious. Okay, so now we're gonna wrap things up with dessert. We got 3 peach mango pies, which I'm sure after you try this, you're gonna say it's 3 too few. We're gonna need to go get some more. Here you go, Jen. So these things,
Smells good. Look
do
at
you
that.
remember? So I think in the U.S. the apple pies at McDonald's are like baked now or something. Like they're not. They used to be this fried kind of thing.
Another microwave.
They're pretty good, yeah. But this is like
It looks
this
really
is
good.
the best fast food pie. So get ready for the best experience of your lives. I love the peach and the mango.
That is good.
Such a perfect combination.
That is really, really good. Oh my gosh. The crust is just like
Perfect.
crispy
Yeah.
and flaky. And then the inside's not too hot. It probably was really hot at first. But
Oh yeah,
you
so it's nice that we
let it cool a bit, yeah.
So these are like one of the most popular items. You can buy them in like packs of 10
Oh my gosh.
because they're so popular.
That's awesome.
I mean, if you're having a rough day,
Comfort food.
this will instantly turn it around.
This is definitely a good comfort food.
All right, well, so your first experience in Jollibee,
Love it. That's great.
would you come again?
I would fly to New Jersey again for it, yeah.
Yeah, it's an amazing, amazing place. So Shawn, Jen, thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate
Yeah,
it.
thanks for having us.
That's going to bring us to the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit that thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed, and hit the bell notification so as soon as new videos pop up, you're going to be the first to know about it. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end, and until next time, stay curious.